So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a character counter using JavaScript. So first you must create a folder. I will name it counter. Inside the folder it's empty, so we must if you have any text editor or any other editor, for me I am using Sublime Text to make a HTML code. So first is to type HTML. So we have to save it on the folder that we made earlier. So name it index.html. Okay, so we have it, the HTML tag. Okay, then in the title we're going to name it a character counter, because why not? And within the body tag we should have a text area for us to input something and count the characters within it. So I call it a TXTA. So make sure you have set the ID, and we're going to make a span for us to display the characters counted within the text area. So the total characters will be displayed in the span tag. So we must call it a count. Then so we have to make a script tag for us to write the code and count the character from within the text area. So we must set the function counter, because why not? Okay, so using JavaScript you can call the ID document dot element document dot get element by ID dot value. So in this line, this document that gets element by ID, the dot value will get the value from the text area, which as the ID of text A. So we must enter it text A. Then we're going to have a variable C for the value from the text area, and then we're going to count it. We have to make a variable, another variable, and make it C dot length. Okay, so for this line, it is the built-in function of JavaScript, which is c.length. It will count the variable within the c, the variable c. It will count the length of the characters within the text area. So the result here is the total length of the text area character. So we're going to display it. Document that get element by id dot inner html equal c count. So we must in this line, this will we have to display the length or the total characters within the within the text area. So in order to display it, we have to call the span id count. Okay, so that's it. So we're going to style something, the text area, the width, let's call it let's have it 300 pixel, and margin we have 200 pixel. So let's take a look. Let's save it, and then we're going to open it in the folder which is the counter folder that we have created earlier. So you just have to open it in the browser, double click, then that's it. This is the text area. So it doesn't have any function yet, because here the function we didn't call it from the text area. So in order to call the function, we just have to make a call in the text area tag. So on key up, so we have to call it the counter function. Okay, so that's it. So you just have to save it and refresh the index.html. So we have it 471. Oh, 2 y. That's length. So there's a 2, 3, 0. Okay, there's a hidden character in the text area that we didn't see it. So let's see that the characters will count automatically. Here, this is the counter, it's 0. So if we type something here, any character space, it will count any character. The symbols, it will count automatically. So that is how we make the character counter. So let's have it style font weight bold, font size 200 pixels, so that you can see it clearly. The counter 0. Okay, so if we type something in the text area, it will count 1, 2, space, symbols, symbol, symbol, symbol. It will count everything within the text area. So that is how we make a character counter using JavaScript. Thank you for watching and have a good time.